so this video is going to explain how we use the surface area and volume of a sphere formula. Again, please look at Emoto because I did post a couple of videos that will show you why those formula works. So we have two formulas, one for volume and one for surface area. For the volume one, instead of using 4/3 and then pi r squared, you could also use 4 pi r cubed, sorry, not squared, cubed over 3. Either of these will work. I don't really care which one you use. So on our first one, we're going to find the volume, and our formula is 4 pi r cubed over 3. We're going to use 3 for pi here. Our radius is 4. Now this is cubed, so instead of just writing it twice, I'm actually going to write it 3 times now, and then divided by 3. Now, before I spend a whole bunch of time multiplying all this together, do you notice there's a 3 on the top and the bottom? They actually simplify. So now I just have to multiply 4 times 4, which is 16, and 4 times 4, which is 16, and 16 times 16 is 256. This is volume, so it's going to be centimeters cubed. For the surface area, it's 4 pi r squared. Let me double check that. I always forget this one. All right, 4 pi r squared. So 4 times 3. Now this one's only squared, so it's going to be 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 4 is 12. Please remember that this can be done in any order. That's why I'm doing it this way. 3, 0, 6, 1. That's going to be 192. And that is centimeters squared because we're talking about surface area. Okay. Our second example, again, I'm going to use 4 pi r cubed over 3. So that's 4 times 3 times 7 times 7 times 7. Again, have a 3 on top and bottom that I will simplify. And then I just have to multiply 4 and 7, which is 28. And 7 and 7, which is 49. I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator on this just so you don't have to waste time watching me actually calculate these numbers. So 28 times 49 is 1372, and this is going to be meters cubed. All right, so surface area is 4 pi r squared. That's 4 times 3 times the radius, which is 7. I'm doing that twice. 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 7 is 49. 12 times 49 is 588. Again, that is going to be not centimeters, but meters squared. Okay. Our third example. Again, we're going to do 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. This one gives me the diameter, so I need the radius, which is 6. So 4 times 3, 6, 6, 6 divided by 3. Again, these simplify for me. That's nice because I'm using 3 instead of 3.14. It will not always be that way. This is 24 times 36. And my calculator tells me that 24 times 36 is 864 meters cubed. Surface area, 4 pi r squared. So again, it's just another formula. You just have to know how to manipulate it. Just please make sure and watch that video so you understand why this works. So this is 12, and this is 36. So 12 times 36 is 432. And again, this is meters squared. So those are all the examples that we have for surface area and volume of spheres. Please make sure and watch the how video, or the why video, not just this how video, and complete the practice pages in your workbook.